How does smoking impact my life insurance? Unsurprisingly, smokers tend to pay more for their life insurance than non-smokers. Smoking is hazardous to health, therefore putting you at a higher risk in the eyes of the insurer. And they account for this risk by adjusting the cost involved with covering you. What constitutes a smoker? If you've used any nicotine or tobacco products in the last 12 months, you'll usually be classified as a smoker. Even if you smoke occasionally or use nicotine gum, insurance companies will see you as a smoker. How will the insurer know if I'm a smoker? When you take out life insurance, you'll be asked if you've used any nicotine or tobacco products in the last 12 months, and you are expected to respond truthfully. Your insurer may request an examination if you have an existing medical condition. This is required to complete your cover, and could include a test for traces of nicotine. What if I'm dishonest or lie about being a smoker? Insurance companies don't tend to do spot checks on their customers unless they have genuine doubt about a policy. But if you're dishonest in your application, you're putting your loved ones at an incredible financial risk. If any report suggests that you weren't entirely honest when you applied for your cover, any claims made on the policy could be refused. Where do insurers stand with e-cigarettes? The stance on e-cigarettes differs with most insurers. Again, it's advisable to check with your insurer before taking out a policy. What if I take up smoking after I've taken out my policy as a non-smoker? Your life insurance premiums are determined at the time you take out your policy. If you took out your policy as a non-smoker, it usually won't be affected or invalidated if you decide to start smoking at a later date. However, it's advisable to inform your insurer of any changes to your smoking status so they can keep it on file. What if I give up smoking? If you have quit smoking for at least 12 months, it's worth letting your insurer know to see if they can offer you a reduced rate policy.